Hey, what's up, traders? Good evening, good night. Hope you guys having a great day. Right, I wasn't in front of my desk all day. If I was, I would have give you guys a heads up with Netflix, because I got a lot of questions on Netflix, which I did give you guys a heads up because the last couple of days I posted several videos on Netflix. All right, so those of you guys, who took the Netflix trade, hey, congratulations. But I want to go over why I put up some of these videos sometimes when I put up the videos. All right. Netflix, to me, again, I'm gonna go over Netflix. It's like when a company have a sale. All right. You know how much Netflix was, and you know how much it is right now. All right. Personally, the company itself, they're not losing nothing. They're just gonna gain a lot more buyers. All right. So my common sense on Netflix is like this: 7-to-1 split down to $100. Okay. Then first question before I even think about going up, and I'm a bull trader. All right. There's bulls and bears. Some people like to short the stock, push it down. Me, I like to buy it every chance I get. All right. So when you talk about Netflix, common sense to me was from the $100 level. It still is, not was, because just because they had earnings and whatever happened in earnings right now, you kind of see earnings went up to, I think they got as high as 107 or $109. Okay. So for me, I personally was a late trader today in Netflix. All right. But common sense, let me go first over the common sense, is that once the stock splits, just like Apple, is how far down are they going to push it? Okay. Or how far down can they actually push it? Because the split just means they have more shares, more buyers are going to come in. And if they push it down far enough, hey, you're going to have more buyers coming in. But when that turnaround happened, you know how Netflix is from before. All right. The company itself is still growing. All right. They are, to me, it's like if they could buy out, because they have enough money to buy out an internet company, an internet provider. If they could buy out an internet provider, it's over for cable, Verizon. It's kind of over for those guys. Okay, because you look at what Netflix is doing. It's like you don't even need a box. You don't need nothing. You just need whatever you have, whatever media platform you got. That's all you need. So if you got your PS3, PS4, Xbox, X1, whatever old junk you have you don't use, you can turn that into a media device with your Netflix account. All right. So me personally, I have a lot of people that I know that that they don't have cable. If it wasn't for the internet service, that's all they needed for the internet connection. That's it. So when we talk about a company like that, it's like regardless of what the stock is doing right now, if they keep dropping it low, hey, I'm just gonna buy it slow. That means, and this is where you gotta know how to trade people. That means if you had $10,000 to trade that stock, you don't want to throw $10,000 at it right away. All right. You see where it closed today? There was earnings. We don't know where it's gonna open tomorrow because it got as high as $109. I don't even know what the pullback was in Netflix right now. Because it's like it's so hard to tell what they're doing with that stock right now. But when I look at it from a business perspective, it just makes sense to invest in that company. Because people saying, Netflix is doing it. My friend, Netflix is only expanding, and with their kids, their programming for kids is just killing it. So I'm not telling you to buy Netflix, but I'm telling you is if I put up the video, I'm telling you I'm looking for where to go. I'm looking at Netflix the same way I guess some people are. And as soon as I let you know something, believe it. Something is happening. I don't do no research. I'm just a technical guy. So, you know what I'm saying? So, back to when I bought Netflix was this afternoon at around 3:45. 'Cause I was doing something else, and some tell me, hey, what are they doing? Because earlier I seen everything was going down. The market's overall pullback, but I expected somewhere the pullback to happen. Today's Wednesday, yeah, I expected the pullback to happen because you had Friday's rally, continued into Monday, continued into yesterday. Market got to a high, so I was expecting a pullback. Hey, it's that simple. Now, when is it going to continue? I don't know. Maybe in the next few days, I have to analyze the charts, and I'm going to tell you guys exactly what I think. But trading involves risk. Once again, you can lose all your money. You can lose most of your money. You can be left with zero. You can be kicked out on the curb, man. So don't play games with your money. All right? But to make a long story short, I took that trade twice. I traded Netflix today in that 5-minute window. It was 345 to like 350. I got into that trade because I see where it hit a lower. I think it came down to like 97 or something like that, and I think I jumped in somewhere around that, right? But I scaled in slowly because tomorrow it might open. Who knows how far down they might pull back way down tomorrow. Okay, so I have a price target. If it opens and hit whatever the high was, this overnight high, whatever it was, if it was 109, if it could come back tomorrow and hit that, or if they open it at that, I am dumping my shares. I'm gonna buy it back, but right now, it's like I said, I need to see a clear direction of where the stock is going. You know, and like I said, all the analysts have the stock going higher. When it was at $700, they say, hey, the stock's gonna go to $900. And Netflix, I'm not saying it can, but it's a stock when it starts flying, it flies. So I'm gonna keep you guys posted. I'm gonna put up more videos on Netflix. All right, because I couldn't believe I got this much emails on Netflix today. It was ridiculous. Or that much text messages, ridiculous. But I'm gonna try to have another media outlet working with these guys at MPA Global. All right. Who else are we working with? Word on the street. You already know we're working with them. Shout out to Shadow Trader, Clay Trader. You know, like I said, the guys I listen to when I have the time, when I'm not busy, when I'm at home relaxing. Trading used to be stressful. But whenever I get the chance and the opportunity to be home, hey, it's either working or it's not working. I can either sit here or I can go take a nap. I can go out and do something and come back 1, 2 o'clock, see what the market is doing. That's the beauty about trading. All right. So people, keep sending me the emails. I'm gonna try to go over some of the other emails, some of the charts. I'm not gonna do too much tonight because I kind of got in late. You know, some of the long-term investment with children stocks. Okay, your mom and pop like Disney. I'm calling Disney mom and pop, but it's like it's a family destination type of business. And every time I hear somebody won a Super Bowl, they won a championship, I'm going to Disney World. Kids want to go to Disney World. So that means eventually portfolio is going to hold Disney. So I'm going to go over that chart. Universal, I think I did that a while back. Okay, those stocks, I'm going to go over those. All right. So, you know who I need to shout out? Freaking Jim Cramer, man. Shout out to Jim Cramer. All right. So, because I listened to that guy a lot, you know what I'm saying? Even before I was trading, I used to love the booyahs. He seems to be going crazy on CNBC, but you know, but keep sending me the email, guys. Emails, text messages, and sorry I didn't get to reply to some of you guys on Facebook. All right, it was kind of busy, but I did reply. Check your Facebook messages. Some of the stocks that you guys gave me, the reason why it took so long to reply because you guys didn't have a ticker symbol. I had to do my research. All right, and Mr. Bully, your stock you was looking for, the ticker symbol is TLN. All right, Talent Energy. Okay, I couldn't find it earlier. I had to come home and look at what's going on to realize, all right, this is what you're looking for. All right, ticker symbol TLN. I'm gonna go over that chart. All right, and keep sending me the emails. Investors, traders. You already know the number 3, the letter D, consult me at Gmail. Investors, you're looking to work with me, we could definitely work something out. All right. Feel free to send me the email, the number 3, the letter D, consult me at Gmail. Peace.